Not yet. This is their first outing.
Oh,
Hey, you. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are.
I need to pet all the doggos.
Oh my God, she has eyes.
I'll have to remember that if I ever miss my
I feel like, oh my God, she has eyes. I like the
M logo?
yeah, the modified Miata logo. There's a little tiny version of it. That's sweet on the key. I gotta get a shot of that. Oh, there's another little tiny version inside.
Little version?
little keychain.
He did the same thing. He built his car and then he put it in the car.
Genius.
See, I was given one of the blue arcades, but I put it in the... I'm in my car, I'm driving my car, I'm not looking at it.
Sounds like a Kia driving by. I'm just gonna run the Kia jokes into the ground. Do my best to completely make them terrible.
Can I take a picture, man?
No, I was gonna say, can you move your butt out of the frame? As much as I want to get a photo of your butt.
Okay, well, I'm gonna look at the pink car and then I'm going over to the other step.
Alright, so we gonna go with the 30.
30.
The 30.
Water.
Yeah, I can use a sip. You don't mind?
Cute.
I didn't get any.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't want to overwhelm you.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it.
Nose and you did not get that.
Just shove it in my face and call it a day. Oh, and battery. That's the other thing I was looking
I
at.
needed a battery.
Thing we came for, don't leave without it.
Yes.
The hot car.
Yeah.
You know my Kia? I
Oh,
would
that's
leave the
much
windows
better.
down in the key in the ignition downtown Allentown. No one took it.
They're just like, nah, I'm
I wanted
good.
them to take it, and they wouldn't have taken it. For all I know, they did take it and brought it back when they realized it didn't have power brakes or ABS or, you know, power steering or air conditioning.
See, now I can get the whole car from like here. Still can't see what that car is though, you know.
You mean the wheels?
Yeah. Yeah, those wheels. Nice. Get some wider shots of your RX-8 too. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very beautiful.
Kind of hoping that Beamer was there to get a shot of my car with good fine wine and good spirits in it.
I might be able to do that. Fine wine and good spirits. Good spurts.
Their car does not work for a year or two.
Mustang Mach 1. Dang.
Some of them, yes, some of them no. Like all the exotics over there, definitely. But their house is probably a lot more than anybody else's house here. So, and then a good viper like that's a newer one, so that might be a little more. This thing's definitely worth a lot because it's a Mach 1, and if it's all original, that's a pretty thing.
Isn't that the car that what Bullet drove?
Yes, but his was all green.
Yeah, that's
And
right.
I don't remember if his was the Mach 1 or the regular. I haven't seen that movie in years.
That race scene is so ridiculous. Like they shut down like half of what was that, San Francisco?
Yes.
They're driving
and it was
through?
all like legit driving, so everything they did actually happened.
Yeah.
Not like Fast and Furious today.
Beauty.
Forester got one right before he retired, like a year before he retired.
Yeah.
This was the first year though. And because of the door, like, it's not, I think they fixed it on that, but because the door had like no sill, the seatbelts were inverted. So like, you know, a driver get on the right side, and his side for the driver, like, you know, the left side. And it's,
Here.
yeah. Because like, no, because like, there was no like door sill.
Okay.
Because the original Viper had no roof at all.
So like nowhere to mount the.
Yeah, nowhere to put the seatbelt. So like they had to put them in between the two seats, and then it's an oddity. Like, no, unless you're in one.
Oh, Lexus. There we go. Yeah. Not that Lexus. I wish.
Wipe it at the end. That's it, man. Like, there were people with like
Spicy. Maverick? Maverick. It's a Maverick.
I look forward to making an electric version of the Maverick and call it too.
Awesome.
There needs to be more puns in car names.
No, like with all this electrical stuff. Like I like that Ford brought the Lightning back, but because you know it's electric. I like that. But there were so many missed opportunities with good electric puns. Like so many.
How do I get this shot? Oh yeah, okay. Is that for like towing?
No. So
No?
in Japan, there's a thing where like the quote-unquote bad boys in the car scene was when they're riding the subway, they'd cut it and then mount it to the car as a good luck token.
Gotcha.
So that's why in the CDM world,
okay.
like, you see them hanging shit like that, or like a little stuffed plushie or something. It's supposed to be like a good luck charm token thing.
Nice.
And then the kids will see like the people up on the Japanese mountain doing dumb stuff, and oh look at that, and then they go and buy it.
Yeah,
And then that's technically race because it's race-inspired cosmetics, you know.
Yeah. I like it.
So I thought about getting something like this, like an enduro, like an on-road dirt bike.
Yeah.
And they're making an electric version. It gets like an 80-mile range.
Nice.
Tops out at like 50, and I'm like, that's perfect because I have like a 10-mile drive to work.
Yeah.
I would totally get one.
Nice. Got no mirrors on that thing.
You don't need them.
Really?
Why?
I had a Zero for a while, like a 225 4-stroke, and they were like, yeah, you know, it's got the mirrors and all that stuff, so it's road legal. Maybe they were just giving me shit.
Yeah. So
Or maybe back in the day.
dirt bikes are an oddball because all you need for dirt bikes is the turn signal.
I was gonna say, there's some motorcycles
okay.
that don't have mirrors. You're still,
Well,
like,
the argument is you're on a bike. You can go like this and see everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I want to get this boy. Ooh, that's a nice color.
With the steel blue.
Yeah.
With the knobby tires, those are like what I'm gonna get in mine.
Oh,
Oh no, not the blue.
That's the knobby tires.
The orange.
My super.
Is it?
Slightly lifted. A lot of
Okay.
because it's showing off your car for the car.
then you have both cars and coffee. I get it now.
So almost like a tour.
Oh yeah. Time we at 8:42. Not bad at all. Oh, it'll be a nice movie shot. Thank you.
I totally rock one of those.
That's tight.
Bi-turbo?
V8 bi-turbo. Jesus.
What does that mean? They're 2 turbos?
Is that like the new way of saying twin turbo?
It's the German way of saying it.
Ah, it's the Germans, yeah.
Anyway, V8 boosted wagon. What's not to like? Unless it's Mercedes, but you're
But, oh, it's a one floppy boy. Okay. Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
how to pose.
Got some good ones in there.
Oh, yeah.
Cutie.
She wants some belly. Go ahead, pet her belly. She'll flip right over.